If you've been using Cursor AI and want to switch the way chats behaves, this quick guide will show you exactly how to change chat mode in a few simple clicks. Whether you want Cursor to act like an agent, help you plan, debug your code, or just answer questions, changing the chat mode can make your workflow much smoother and faster. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tips and walkthroughs. Now let's jump in. First, open Cursor and look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click the chat icon to open the Cursor chat panel. Once the chat sidebar is open, look near the top or within the chat area for the drop-down menu that shows the current mode. In many cases, this will say something like Agent. This is the setting you need to change. Click on the current mode name to open the list of available chat modes. Cursor will then show you the different options you can choose from. Depending on your version and setup, you may see modes like Agent, Plan, Debug, and Ask. Each mode changes how Cursor responds and how much it takes control of your workflow. For example, Agent mode is useful when you want Cursor to take more action on your behalf, while Ask mode is better if you just want a direct answer or explanation. Plan mode can help when you want to think through a task before making changes, and Debug mode is great when you're trying to track down an issue in your code. To switch modes, simply click the one you want from the list. As soon as you select it, Cursor will update the chat behavior right away so you can continue working without needing to restart anything. If you don't see the mode you expected, take a second to make sure you've opened the correct chat panel and that the drop-down is fully expanded. In some layouts, the mode selector can be easy to miss, especially if your window is small or your sidebar is collapsed. Once you've selected your preferred mode, you can start typing your prompt and Cursor will respond based on that mode. This is one of the easiest ways to customize your experience in Cursor AI and make the tool fit the exact task you're working on. So to quickly recap, open the Cursor sidebar, click the chat icon, find the mode dropdown, select the mode you want, and keep working with the new chat behavior immediately applied. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Cursor AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.